How to insert link in MS Word. To insert link, go to Insert ribbon. Click on the link button, hyperlink in older version. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Here will be text that will show link. Here will be link to file or location you want to link. From here you browse the location you want to link. This option is for placing link in current document. This option is for web page or some folder. We can insert link in our document. A link opens the path specified when it is clicked. We can insert a web page link or also link something in our document or any folder on the PC. Here we are creating a link to a PDF which we had created earlier and is saved on the desktop. We had created the link successfully. Now press Ctrl plus left click to open the link in Word. In reader mode it can open. To insert web page link in MS Word, open link button and then click on link to web page or existing file and paste the URL you copied. Copy the web page URL you want to link in your document. Thanks for watching.